I'm working on an appetizer that's gonna blow your socks off. It's an arepa with shrimp. It's the perfect combination for a warm, toasty, and steamy arepa. And it has the sofrito, which is just like a salsa, but a little bit better. So, in Venezuela, we'll be using a local hot pepper. But here, jalapenos will do just fine. See that? You want to take those seeds out. Control the heat. Gonna mix it a little bit. Already smells great. Try a little bit. Perfect. We got an orange. Think it's gonna go really well with our dish. So in Mexico, this would be called a salsa. But in Venezuela, because we're gonna cook it, we like to call it a sofrito. So here's a tip with garlic. The thinner you slice it, the bigger the bite. I want my sofrito to have lots of bite. So I'm gonna cut it very, very thinly. That's very thin, lots of bite. You see this? This is a 16 to 20 shrimp, which means there's about between 16 and 20 of them per pound. Now I'm gonna add some garlic, some olive oil. Oh yeah. Yeah. You just want to cook it until the shrimp changes color. I like my shrimp very tender. So this sofrito is just how I like it. I left the little shrimp tails in just for that bit of extra flavor. But because they're going into an arepa, I'm gonna take them off. And I'm cutting it into bite sizes because I want small pieces in my arepa. For a little bit of extra freshness, I'm gonna add some cilantro. I didn't put the cilantro in while I was cooking the sofrito because it just goes brown and welts and it loses all its oil. And then for an extra little zing of acidity, some lemons. And now, my favorite part. Let's put this puppy together. And to top it all up, a little bit of fresh cheese. I'm using mozzarella. You can use anything you have at home. So messy, but really, really good. Just like I'm in a beach in Venezuela. Oh, man. All of this really works together. You can really feel the texture of the shrimp, the sweet of the sofrito, and the acid of the citrus. Oh, it's just the perfect combination.